Looking to switch from Sony to Huawei? Whether it's a P40 or Mate 40, transferring your data doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, we'll show you simple ways to move your content from Sony to Huawei effortlessly. Solution 1. How to transfer data from Sony to Huawei with Transfer for Mobile. When transferring data from Sony to Huawei, usability, efficiency, and safety matter most. Mobican Transfer for Mobile simplifies Android to Android file migration and supports transfers between iPhone and Android. Step 1. Install the downloaded program before running it on your computer. The initial interface will cue you to plug both Sony and Huawei phone into the computer via applicable USB cables. Step 2. After the phones are linked, you should follow the clear hints on the screen to have them identified. Step 3. You will then get the main screen as below. Just make sure your Sony phone is on the left of the screen and the Huawei phone is on the right. Step 4. Tick off your desired data types in the middle, and then click on Start Copy to initiate Sony to Huawei file transfer. Solution 2. How do I transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei File Assistant for Android? You can also do this indirectly through Mobican Assistant for Android. This program assists you to back up data from Sony Xperia to your PC and then restore them to the target Huawei phone. Step 1. Give the right version above a click to download the software. Then, install and open it on your computer. Link Sony to the computer via a USB cord before the tool recognizes it. Next, click on Super Toolkit at the top menu. Step 2. Choose Backup and then mark your wanted data type as. Locate or create an output folder on the computer to store the items. Now, click Backup to put them on this computer. Once completed, disconnect the cord between Sony Xperia and your computer. Step 3. Connect Huawei to this computer and tap Super Toolkit, Restore. Then, choose the file categories you like from the backup records. After that, tap Restore to get the stuff onto your Huawei phone. Alternatively, if you only want to transfer contacts, call records, SMS, you can also go to the left sidebar from the My Device section and select Export, shortly followed by Import to complete the data transfer. Solution 3. How to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei using Phone Clone. Install Phone Clone on both phones. On Huawei, select Old Phone, connect Old Phone, generate QR code. On Sony, tap This is the old phone and scan the QR code. Choose data types on Sony and tap Send to transfer. Solution 4. How to copy data from Sony to Huawei with Google Backup. On Sony, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, and enable Sync. On Huawei, log into the same Google account and enable Sync. Tap Sync now. Solution 5. How to move data from Sony to Huawei with Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both phones. Pair Huawei on Sony. On Sony, your contacts via Bluetooth. On Huawei, tap Accept.